Hi, I got a couple questions from students in the last couple days asking about quicker ways to calculate standard deviation and quicker ways to calculate correlation coefficient. And so I just wanted to show you some quick tricks that you can do with my stat lab. So anytime you're given a table, you have the option to look at data, and anytime you're looking at data, there's a little box on the top right hand side, and you can copy these data points in Excel or to a clipboard. But one of the powerful things you can do is you can open it in StatCrunch. And so if you open it in StatCrunch, let's say for example you wanted to view a graph of it, and it's like a scatter plot. You choose your X and your Y variables accordingly to what you want them to be. And let me just lift this up here so you can see. We're going to hit compute, and now you have your data set here, and it's graphed for you, and you can see your scatter plot and what it looks like. Another thing that you can do is, let's say I have just one column of data here. I can go into statistics, and most of these for this class you're not going to use, but you can calculate, most of the important ones are here in your summary stats here. But let's say that we want to calculate maybe the standard deviation. So we're going to look at this column here, and we're going to select the summary stats. Well, let's see if we can do it for both here. And we want the mean, the variance, the standard deviation, the median, the range. All of those are options. If you want just one of them, you could click just one of them. But I'm going to click Shift and down arrow, and I can get all of these points there of statistics that I want here. Let me raise this up a little. So we're going to now hit compute, and there it'll tell you the variance for each of them, the standard deviation for each of them, the standard error for each of them, the range, the min, the max for that column, the weight column, and the shoe size column. Let me just drop this down one more time here. And then again, I'm going to highlight these two columns again. We can go into stat. Most of the stats that you're looking for will be in summary stats. Down here in correlation, if you hit correlation and you select weight and then shift down arrow, and I'll select shoe size. Lift this up again. I'm going to compute again, and it will compute for me my correlation coefficient, which is 0.84. So you don't actually have to do a ton of calculations. StatCrunch will do a lot of the calculations for you.